tricks to slow the pace of climate change, preserve wildlife, and support billions of people, trees inevitably hold a major part of the answer. Yet, the mass destruction of trees, also called as deforestation, continues to sacrifice the long-term benefits of standing trees for a short-term gain.
Forests still cover about 30% of the world's land area, but they are disappearing at an alarming rate. Between 1990 and 2016, the world has lost about 502,000 square miles of forest according to the World Bank, which the area of deforestation altogether are larger than South Africa since humans started cutting down forests.
We need trees for a variety of reasons, not least of which is that they absorb not only the carbon dioxide that we exhale, but also the heat-trapping greenhouse gases that humans emit. As those gases enter the atmosphere, global warming increases, a trend scientists now prefer to call climate change.
As my fellow teams tell all of us about the effect of deforestation, but why we still need to cut down the trees? The answer is we still need the land to build buildings, roads, railways, airports, bridges, and so on for our country. As the future civil engineers, what should we do to solve this problem?
So, after doing some discussion with my teammate, we come out with one solution, and the solution is plant theory.
Plant Diary is an application to help us slowing down the climate change and the unstable ecosystem. We believe that developers and contractors are accountable to replanting on the construction area. The question is, will the few plants be enough to compare with the green laws? And will it decreases the climate change just with all the buildings without any care towards green nature? Therefore, we plan to have an application which it will record accurately to the very little detail, and it need to be added in any construction works procedure.
The plant diary can record the name of species of the trees and the number of the trees that been cut down by the construction company, so that the company can keep in track the status of the construction area because it links by one account for the company.
After that, environmental organizations that will cooperate with us, such as Free Tree Society, will plant the exact or more quantities of trees and species that has been cut down based on the data that has been recorded in our application.
Plant Diary can be accessed anywhere and anytime. It's so easy to use and free for all. Besides for the company use, the Plant Diary also can be used by the society.
For instance, we can take Taman Pertiwi as a case study. The residents of Taman Pertiwi can download these apps so they can also keep in track the status of the trees around the residential area. After that, the resident can do some campaign and activities to replant the tree. Maybe it's not the same tree, but at least the amount of the trees is not decreasing. This could expand the awareness to not only one party but to the whole community.
As you all can see, this application can help us to achieve sustainable development goals, which are climate action and life on land.
This application is beneficial to society. For example, when more or exact quantities and species of tree is planted, it will avoid plant species extinction and reduce greenhouse gases emission, which is can lead to improvement of individual and public health, and at the same time, it can bring to ecosystem stability.
Another little change today can do a better recovery for tomorrow.